Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited.
Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 6 from the book Science Square. Today we are going to learn chapter 13, Magnets. In this chapter we shall discuss about magnetism, types of magnets, wire magnet, properties of magnets, magnetic compass, Earth as a magnet, and care for magnets. Let us begin the chapter. It was said that magnets were discovered after a shepherd named Magnus accidentally got his iron stick stuck to a rock. Later, the rock was discovered to possess magnetic properties and was named magnetite after the shepherd. Magnetite contains iron. However, some believe that it was discovered in a part of Turkey known as Magnesia. A material or object that have a property of attraction are known as magnets. Two types of materials are there, that is magnetic and non-magnetic. Materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials. It includes iron, nickel, cobalt. Materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. It includes wood, paper, glass and plastic. We can also say rubber, soil, leather, etc. Let us now discuss about different types of magnets. There are three types of magnets. Natural magnets, that is, the magnets which are obtained naturally from a magnetite rock are known as natural magnets. These have low magnetic power. It includes lodestone and magnetite. The second type of magnet is the artificial magnets. The magnets which are prepared by the combination of certain mineral ores with the help of iron are known as artificial magnets. These have strong magnetic power. It includes horseshoe, bar magnets, cylindrical magnets, etc. The third type of magnet is induced magnets. When a piece of unmagnetized magnetic material touches or brought near the pole of a permanent magnet, it becomes a magnet by itself. This is known as induced magnetism. Let us see how magnet is used in finding the direction. A magnet has its magnetism at the two ends known as poles. Let us see how magnet is used in finding the direction. A magnet has its magnetism at the two ends known as poles. By conventions, these are known as South Pole and North Pole. In a freely suspended magnet, the end of the magnet that points towards the north is known as north-seeking end or North Pole, while the other end pointing towards the south is known as south-seeking end or South Pole. It is said that the travelers in olden days used to find the direction by suspending the natural thread with a thread which has always carried by them. So, the travelers in olden days carry with them always the natural magnet and they suspend it freely from the thread. It helps to find out the direction where they are traveling. Now, compass. A device was developed to determine the direction based on the property of magnet. It is a small box with a glass cover on it. It consists of magnetized needle inside the box which can rotate freely. The compass has a dial with directions marked on it. When the compass is placed in a place, it shows the direction. The needle indicates the north-south direction when it comes to rest. In order to identify the north pole of the compass, it is painted in different color. That is, you can see the picture, it is in red in color to point out the north pole. Let us see how we need to care for the magnets. Magnets should not be heated, hammered or dropped from the height. Bar magnets should be kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. They should be separated by a piece of wood. That is, two magnets has to be kept separately and they are separated by a piece of wood and should be locked by placing two pieces of soft irons across the ends. These pieces of soft iron are called keepers or locks. A piece of soft iron should be placed across the poles of the horseshoe magnet. Let us have a chapter recap. A magnet is a piece of iron that attracts other pieces of iron and points always in the north-south direction when freely suspended. The two ends of a magnet where attraction is maximum are called its poles. The north pointing end of a freely suspended magnet is called its north pole. Like poles of two magnets repel each other while their unlike poles attract. Magnetic poles always exist in opposite pairs. A magnet attracts an ordinary piece of iron by making it a temporary magnet first. Pieces of iron or steel can be magnetized permanently by repeatedly stroking them with a strong magnet in a systematic manner. The earth behaves as a big magnet and hence direction can be found with the help of magnetic compass. Magnets need to be treated carefully or else they will lose their magnetic power. This ends the chapter 12.
Vidya Prakashan Mandir